So we're here at Zaidtek, and you're showing a new Android TV box.
Correct.
What is CPU?
This one is box chip A10.
A10, and so what can it do?
It's basically everything you have in a tablet. In this little box, you connect it to your TV through HDMI or a projector, and you get what you will see on a tablet screen.
So here's the HDMI.
HDMI connection, yeah, correct.
This is a full HDMI.
Full HDMI.
Connect on a TV.
You got a micro SD card.
Yeah.
You got a mini USB, and you got a DC in here.
Okay.
And then you got a full-size USB here where you can connect your Wi-Fi mouse, wireless mouse, for example.
All right. So is it possible to open to see what's inside or no?
No, not without a tool.
It's not gonna work. You need a tool.
Yeah.
All right. So how much does it cost?
This one with 512 megabytes and 4 GB of flash, about $36.
For how many order?
1K.
1K.
Starting at 1K.
And how about 1 GB RAM? A little bit more?
A little bit more. Add like $3.
$3 more, and you can have 1 GB RAM.
Yep.
And what was the other thing you said? 512 megabyte RAM and
4 gigabytes of flash.
Flash. And if you want like
you can add up to 8 GB of flash.
And it's
go 1 gigabyte RAM, 8 GB of flash. It's about $30, maybe $40.
$40. All right. So how old is this product? Since
this one is ready since 2 weeks.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So it fits in every TV behind. It's not too wide here or something.
As long as you have a standard HDMI port, it fits.
All right. So, and what kind of other products do you have here right now on the Mac?
We have a line of tablets.
Yeah.
We have the slimmest 7-inch you can find on the market. It's 7.6 millimeters.
Nice. 7.6 millimeters. Does it work? Or is it just a mock-up?
No, this works.
So where's the power? 7.6 millimeters with the AllWinner A10.
Correct.
And here are all the specs.
So it's entry-level specs, but in a fashionable ID design.
Nice.
You can have it with the button. You can choose it without the button with a flat panel.
And it's not a bad screen, right?
It's a 800 by 480.
Is it a good screen?
It's all right. I mean, it's not an IPS, but it's still pretty good for this price.
So that's the one without the HDMI, but everything's fine on it.
Yeah.
So how much does it cost?
This one about $55.
55 for 1K.
Yeah.
And what's going on here?
Here we got a dual core, rock chip dual core with IPS screen. 1024 by 600 resolution.
It sounds like pretty awesome.
Yep, this is a good model.
So does it power?
Powers up right there.
Right. IPS, dual core, 7-inch, 1024 resolution.
Correct.
And so this one has all the ports, right?
It's got the ports, HDMI, USB.
And how much is that one?
This one is a bit more pricey. This one is about $97.
$97. You got a dual core, 7-inch, IPS.
1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of flash.
So this is like
2 megapixel in the front,
Nexus 7
in the back.
for half the price.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Or better, or no, like
better,
that.
I would say.
Yeah. Okay. Why better?
No, it's just
okay. Well, yeah, that is a good price. And this you have a what is this size?
This is 9-inch, 16 by 9.
And the box chip.
Box chip A13. Yeah.
13. How much is that?
I don't actually have the price right on top of my head on this one.
It's probably a good price, right?
Yeah, it's pretty entry level.
9-inch box chip A13 and dual core.
Yeah, this is interesting. This is a dual core with the Infotek CPU. So you pretty much got a dual core machine for the price of a single core. Almost the same price.
What is this Infotek?
Infotek is a new chip manufacturer.
So is it Chinese?
Chinese, yeah.
So Infotek Cortex A5 dual core.
Yeah. Right now it's running at 1 gigahertz, and in about 1 month's time we're going to have it available 1.4 gigahertz with the same CPU. Just adjusting the frequency.
So price of a single core, what does that mean?
This one with this configuration, 1 gigabyte of memory, 8 gigabyte of flash, you get it for 125 with a second generation.
125 and you get something that can probably, no, it's not exactly like an iPad 2, but it's for sure better than an iPad 1.
Yeah.
125 and with very interesting new Infotek CPU. And do you come up with this new screen, this new keyboard?
Yeah, this is pretty much a Bluetooth keyboard with just a stand.
So how would you carry it? Like
yeah, this is not a
magnetic or anything?
No, it's nothing like that. This is a very simple solution.
Yeah.
It's basically just a stand. You wouldn't maybe not carry this around so much.
Is it a special tablet or?
This is a Qualcomm tablet.
Qualcomm.
Yeah.
So what kind of Qualcomm?
It's a dual core, 1.5 gigahertz.
That's pretty powerful.
Yeah. This is more of our high-end solution.
So how high is your high end?
This one is about $160.
160, but that doesn't sound like crazy high end.
No, it's still 1 gigabyte, but only 4 gigabyte of flash in this configuration.
I mean, this is not the S4, right?
It's S4, yeah.
It is S4,
yeah.
dual core.
Dual core.
All right, and what kind of, is it an open mold or what kind of box is this?
This is private mold.
It is probably open?
Private mold, yeah.
And let's open here. So you have HDMI and USB host.
Yeah.
Or slave. Or both.
Both.
Yeah.
And then
just
you
those two?
Yeah.
And headphones.
Headphones on that side.
And the power.
And here
stuff
you go.
Over here. Is that a SIM? No.
SIM, yeah.
But not for 160.
No, this one. The price is for the Wi-Fi. This one you can also get with the 3G.
How much more is this 3G?
3G is about 220.
220? Yeah. So you add 60 just for 3G, right?
Yeah.
It's not like 30.
No. Not for this one.
Because it's a special Qualcomm or?
Yeah, and it's a different module as well. Yeah.
And here you have A10, dual core, RK30. How much is that one?
This one is about 100. Let me see. This one is about 154.
154.
Specs 16 gigabyte of flash.
Also 1,000 units, not 500. 1,000 units minimum order.
Yeah, same.
Okay, not 500.
Not 500.
Okay. So people contact and then order 1,000. And here's A10, A13, and A13. Do you have a special price here for this?
Yeah, this one, as it's broken screens, is a very good price. No,
25.
Yeah, exactly. No, these two are actually pretty much the same price, $48.
How much?
$48.
$48
yeah.
for this and
so
that.
here you got glass plus plastic, and this one actually got glass plus glass. So this is a really good price for this model.
48.
Yeah.
So like this. All right. And here?
It's a 3G model.
3G.
Running the box chip A13.
A10, no? This is here.
Oh, sorry, A10.
A10?
Yeah.
But 3G, what is a modem? Is that Qualcomm modem, if it's 3G?
The modem, I don't have it on top of my head, actually.
Okay.
I'll check that out.
So, how big is Zaidtek company? How many tablets do you sell every year? Every
it's
month?
about 10K a month.
10K a month?
Yeah, right
So
now.
is it growing or what's going on?
It's growing. Tablets has been only around for about a year's time. Starting slowly, now we're adding models to our line. So we see it's going up.
What is the target, like a success story? What's going to be?
We want to double at least within the next 6 to 9 months, which seems.
Does the orders accelerate towards Christmas? Is that a standard thing?
Yeah, and now it's of course right now is the time to place the Christmas orders, so
and
that's always a good
and people
time
can
of
order
year.
all that for Christmas.
Yeah, I mean what we see a lot of interest for right now is this one, the Infotek dual core, and also for the slim 7.6 millimeter model. It's doing well.
Did you say how much? I forgot.
This one is about $55.
Yeah. And did we forgot this one? Is
That's
it
the same with
just
a
gold.
different back panel.
There's a gold and silver.
Yeah.
That's two cool metals.
Yeah.
And how much was the keyboard?
This keyboard is about retail. The black keyboard is 15. Is it?
Price?
Dollars.
Yes.
15?
For this model, it's 12.
12.
Yeah.
Including this.
No, without this. If we include this, it's 14.
14. So $2 for this
Yes,
part,
yes.
And this is 12. This is just a Bluetooth keyboard. 12.
For this track, it's 10.
10. All right, and then you just put it here, and you put any tablet can fit in here.
Yeah, it's just perfect size for a 9.7 inch.
Nice. All right, and you also even do laptops.
Laptops is we're a reseller for Bitland, manufacturing in Shenzhen.
Okay.
So so we're selling their models.
So, what's inside?
This is an Ultrabook Ivy Bridge.
And how much it cost?
This one, bare bone, is around 220.
220?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Bare bone.
What does it mean, bare bone?
Which means no CPU, no hard drive, no memory.
Okay, so you add a CPU like for 200 something, just the CPU?
Yeah, depending on where you go, i3, i5, i7, wherever you want to go.
And then you add a hard disk or SSD?
Yeah,
and you
or
have
both.
2 USB 3 here?
On this side and one on this side.
That's cool, because usually they only ship with one.
Yeah, and you get power charge. You can charge through the USB while power off. So when the computer is power off, you can plug in your cell phone and charge it from the battery.
200, did you say how much, bare bone?
220.
And let's say, try to imagine how much with all the stuff is like
CPU
600?
is about 100, an i3 is around 120, and then you add another 40 or so for a hard drive. Memory, another 10, and depending on if you want to go SSD or not.
So at least 450 or something, 500?
With the full, yeah, you can end up there with the full specs. Yeah,
right.
you can get it lower than that, depending on.
And is this something else?
This is another Ultrabook. This is from EA.
There's no USB 3.
This one is.
Is it different motherboard?
Yeah.
So that's the higher end motherboard. This is a cheaper one.
No, the motherboard is still Ivy Bridge.
Okay.
For both of them. This has got one USB 3 and two USB 2.0.
And
card reader.
how much is that one?
This one bare bone around 195. So this
195.
Is, cheap bare bone.
And this also without the removable battery, or?
Yeah, built in.
Yeah. And what is this down there?
This is a 11.6 inch model, currently with Atom Cedar Trail, but soon available with the NM70 chipset and Celeron CPU. So this will be the entry-level Windows 8 machine.
How much do you think it could be?
Complete unit around 250.
250, including all the stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool. And lots of mice and keyboards and all that stuff. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Cool. So, thanks.